Hello to all you hardworking individuals, particularly those in the prime of your professional lives. A health crisis like cancer can heavily impact your financial stability. Depending on the type and stage of the disease, treatment costs vary from $10,000 to $100,000. This expense, often higher than one's annual income, could lead to financial turmoil. Bankruptcy could become a possibility in this fight for survival. Thus, financial planning is vital. Today, we are navigating through the intricate landscape of cancer insurance plans to help you make a financially prudent decision. Imagine this scenario. You're in the prime of your career and suddenly you're diagnosed with cancer. This emotional tumult is coupled with a financial storm. According to the CDC in 2018, approximately 23,400 Oklahomans faced this ordeal. Cancer treatment costs are formidable, extending beyond consultation fees. Chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and surgeries to remove tumors can be staggeringly expensive. These costs can lead to financial distress, but that's only the tip of the iceberg. There are hidden costs too. Frequent hospital visits for treatments and follow-ups can drain your finances. If you have children, babysitting or daycare expenses add to your burden. Not to mention the potential loss of income due to absences from work for treatments can be substantial, adding to the mounting costs. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Cancer insurance plans exist to provide financial relief during these challenging times. Remember, many Oklahomans have forged this path before. You are not alone in this journey. Indemnity-based cancer insurance plans designed as a financial shield are particularly beneficial for individuals in the prime of their lives when they're still building their careers. A unique aspect of these plans is the provision of a lump sum payment upon diagnosis of cancer. This distinctive feature sets these plans apart by offering freedom. The freedom to allocate the money as the policyholder sees fit. The funds could be used for multiple purposes like paying for education, covering housing expenses, or fulfilling day-to-day living costs, or any other financial commitments. This wide-ranging application and the power of decision-making falls squarely onto your shoulders, emphasizing the versatility of these plans. Let's delve deeper into how these insurance plans can be especially useful for those in the early stages of their lives. Picture this. A young person has health coverage that doesn't quite cover the entirety of the costs associated with their cancer treatment. In this situation, the lump sum payment from the indemnity-based plan can be a financial life raft. If the patient requires specialized treatment that involves travel, these funds can be used to ease these expenses. The lump sum can also maintain the patient's regular expenses if they're to work or study during their treatment period. However, it's crucial to note that these plans do come with certain restrictions. The main drawback being that the payout has a cap, meaning there's a maximum limit to the funds provided by the insurance plan. For someone in the early stages of their life, if the costs incurred for treatment and recovery are more than the maximum payout, the balance needs to be paid out of pocket. This can be a significant setback if the treatment costs are skyrocketing. In conclusion, indemnity-based cancer insurance plans serve as a financial backup during a health crisis, particularly for those still in younger stages of life, providing financial freedom. Nonetheless, understanding the coverage limitations is a prerequisite before choosing such a plan. It's crucial to carefully weigh the pros and cons and thoroughly assess your personal circumstances before making a decision. Diving into the specifics, benefit-based cancer insurance plans offer a significant advantage, especially for those with a long life journey ahead. These plans are designed to cover treatment costs, including surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. They provide financial support to those who may not yet have substantial savings. Consider a young adult who needs numerous chemotherapy sessions. Such costs can skyrocket, making the treatment financially burdensome. Here, a benefit-based plan steps in. It absorbs these costs, reducing financial stress, making treatment feasible for those with several years ahead, but limited resources. However, these plans may not cover indirect costs, including transportation, childcare during treatment days, or lost income to time off work. It's crucial to understand these plans may not include such expenses in their coverage. Therefore, while these plans can be a lifeline for direct treatment costs for people with a long life ahead, additional considerations may be needed for other associated costs. The Cancer Care Plan, a strategy especially advantageous for those seeking comprehensive coverage, skillfully combines the strengths of indemnity and benefit-based plans. The fundamental ideology behind this plan is to deliver a significant initial payment upon a cancer diagnosis, efficiently alleviating any immediate financial strains. Furthermore, it covers specific treatment costs, fostering financial confidence in those worried about the expenses connected with their care. The dual coverage feature is where it concurs with indemnity and benefit-based plans. The allowance of the lump sum mirrors the tactic of indemnity plans, while its care of treatment expenses aligns with the traits of benefit-based plans. However, it's important to underline that the comprehensive coverage offered by these plans necessitates a higher premium. This implies those choosing this plan would need to pay more on a monthly or yearly basis to other plans. But who would think this plan worthy despite the steeper costs? Individuals with a genetic predisposition to cancer, those exposed to lifestyle or environmental risk factors, or simply those desiring an additional tier of financial protection could see the higher premiums as a favorable trade-off. For these individuals, the reassurance and financial solidity a cancer care plan provides could be deemed a valuable safeguard for their future well-being. Choosing the right plan for your future requires a detailed analysis of three critical factors: your individual situation, financial standing, and risk appetite. Wondering how to balance these aspects? Let's explore. First, contemplate your personal circumstances like age, lifestyle, and health. As an example, if you're a young, active individual, your approach could significantly differ from someone older with health issues. It's crucial to factor these personal elements into your decision-making process. Next, scrutinize your financial status. How much can you invest in the plan? Is your income stable? For instance, an individual in the early stages of their career might need a more flexible plan compared to someone established in their job. Lastly, calculate your risk tolerance. Grasp the level of financial risk you can handle. If losing some of your investment causes discomfort, you probably have a low risk tolerance and might prefer a safer, less volatile plan. Every plan has its unique strengths and weaknesses, and it's important to balance these against your personal situation. By considering these elements, you can make an informed decision about the plan that best suits your needs. Remember, choosing the right plan now can significantly affect your financial future, so it's worth investing the time to choose wisely. By now, you should have a basic grasp of cancer insurance plans. It's just the start, merely a glimpse into a complex world. Insurance concepts can be puzzling, often filled with intricate terms. This is why it's helpful to have an expert guide through these paths. Don't hesitate to seek help if you're feeling overwhelmed or if you need more information. A professional can simplify this data, making it digestible and relevant to your unique needs. And remember, knowledge is not only power, it's your protector. It can unlock solutions that can shield you from the financial stress that usually accompanies a cancer diagnosis. Preparedness can make a huge difference. The right knowledge and action based on that can safeguard your future, providing the financial security you may need during tough times. Taking the first step is moving towards peace and safety. We're here to aid you along the way. So, to all you proactive Oklahomans, connect with us today. Let us assist you in finding the right plan that matches your needs and future objectives. Together, we can make a difference. Your future importance and taking control of it starts now. Start your journey, and let's traverse this path towards security together. Remember, understanding cancer insurance plans and consulting with a professional is not only crucial, but indispensable for those who are proactive about their future.